Changing the belt on a Bissell PowerForce Compact Vacuum can seem like a daunting task, but it's relatively straightforward. First, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a compatible replacement belt. Having these ready before you start is a time saver. To begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Don't ever skip this step. Many people overlook this basic precaution. A shock isn't the wake-up call you want. Safety first, always. Next, place the vacuum on its back and locate the screws on the bottom plate. These are typically holding the brush roll cover in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Stay organized. A small bowl can prevent screws from wandering off. After removing the screws, take off the cover to expose the brush roll and belt. You'll see the belt looped around the motor shaft and brush roll. Gently lift out the brush roll, making sure not to damage nearby parts. It's delicate. Now slip off the old belt from the motor shaft. This can require a bit of force if the belt is worn, but be careful not to strain other components. Replacing a broken part beats paying for a whole new vacuum. Trust me on this one. Grab the new belt and position it around the motor shaft. Stretch it towards the brush roll slot. Stretching might feel like a workout, but don't worry. The new belt needs this tension for proper functioning. And insert the brush roll into the belt loop and ensure it fits back into its housing properly. The brush roll's alignment is crucial for your vacuum's effectiveness. Misalignment here can lead to frustration with a less than stellar cleaning job. With the brush roll in place, lay the bottom cover back on. Aligning it properly will prevent wobbling or rattling noises when you use the vacuum. A few extra seconds here can save you a headache later. Secure the cover by screwing it back in place. Make sure the screws are tight, but not overly so. You might want to check them again after a few uses. This kind of maintenance helps prolong your vacuum's life. And plug your vacuum back in to test. If everything is done correctly, you should notice better suction and a smoother operation. If not, retrace your steps. Sometimes the simplest things can get overlooked. So now you're back in business. A simple belt replacement can dramatically enhance your vacuum's performance, saving you time and effort on cleaning. Efficiency in-house chores means more time for what you love, like exploring Portland's gorgeous outdoors. And there you have it, a task that might have seemed overwhelming, transformed into a straightforward process. You've now added another tool to your DIY arsenal. Keep this up and you'll be the vacuum guru everyone calls. The